Hi guys, welcome back to the Route 99. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video because we create content regarding CAT, SAT, NMAT, SNAP. So don't forget to share this video to your friends who are preparing for CAT. Okay? So imagine this guys, you score 99 percentile in CAT 2026. You get calls from top IIMs, you clear the interview, and then your admission gets cancelled because of one mistake that you are going to do into the CAT. Looks shocking, right? But every year students lose their MBA seats because of incorrect category selection, wrong work experience details, CGPA conversation mistakes, as well as documentation issues. Many aspirants have spent months preparing for Quant, LRDI and VRC, but almost nobody prepares for the CAT form. And that's exactly this video is important for you. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about CAT 2026 form filling, eligibility criteria, document required, OBC and EWS certification rules, work experience calculation, and most important, how are the things that you should avoid during your MBA journey to get IIM seat. So watch this video till the end because a small mistake can impact your MBA journey. Let's get started guys. First understand the CAT 2026 timeline. The official CAT 2026 notification is expected around last week of July. Registration is likely start in the first week of August. Application window usually remains open for 40 to 45 days. The last date is expected around mid-September and this is generally a small extension period. CAT 2026 is expected to conducted last week of November around 29th November. One important myth that I wanted to break here is most students think if they fill the form on day one they will get a better exam score. That is not true. CAT exam centers are allotted after the registration process closes. So don't rush. Focus on accuracy. Focus on completing syllabus. Focus on writing mark. Don't just focus on speed. Take your time. Fill your details carefully. Also, application fee is very important for you. For general EWS and NC-OBC candidates, they have to pay around 2,600 rupees. This is last year projection. This year maybe 200 here and there you have to pay. For SC, ST, PW candidates, they have to pay expected around 1,300. Now let's understand the eligibility criteria. Now let's discuss the eligibility. The good news is that CAT eligibility is quite simple. You need a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. For general EWS and NC-OBC candidates, a minimum 50% marks is required. For SC, ST, PWD, the minimum requirement is 45%. And if you are currently in the final year of graduation, you can still. There is no age limit for CAT, and there is no limit on the number of attempts. That is the beauty of CAT. Professional qualification like CA, CS, CMA, FI is also accepted. And there's an important thing for you guys. CAT eligibility and IIM eligibility are not maybe eligible for CAT, but it is not going to satisfy the admission criteria of certain IIMs. Many top IIMs consider academic consistency in class 10, 12th and graduation. So please check always individual institute criteria separate. Now let's talk about marks calculation. This is where many students do mistake. For class 10 and 12, consider all subjects mentioned in the mark sheet. Do not use best of 5 method. If 6 subjects are mentioned, include all 6. For graduate students with CGPA, maybe 3-year or 4-year graduation, follow your university's official conversion formula. If the university provides a conversion certification, keep it ready. And many students also ask about the dual degrees. Suppose you have BCom and CA. In many cases, graduation marks receive primary consideration, right? So you should have all the degrees that are there in your plate. Another important point is your graduation result month. You can put your accurate month into the form, and this month becomes extremely important for work experience people. If you are planning to calculate the work experience, many candidates enter incorrect work experience because they don't know their official result declaration date. So verify this clearly guys. Now let's understand and let's discuss about the documents that you should keep handy. You need class 10 mark sheet and certification, class 12 mark sheet, graduation mark sheet, degree certificate if it is available, then CGPA certification, and in that conversion certification is very important. Let's say I was having 9.05 in my final year of engineering. So 9.05 into my university score, I have checked from my Pune University and I added that. Then recent passport size photo or scan signature. Then you should have Aadhaar, PAN, passport, voter ID. You should also keep an active mobile number as email ID. So my recommendation is simple for you guys. create a folder called CAT 2026 documents on your laptop. Keep all the soft copies in your place. This simple step can save hours of your stress during your registration. You can take a screenshot of this. You can use it. Now let's discuss the category certificate because that is very important, guys. For SC/ST candidates, the category certificate is lifetime valid. You don't need an actual renewal. Certificate should be issued by competent authority such as district magistrate, SDM, or Tahsildar. SC, ST, and PW candidates, they will get a relaxation in the graduation mark. So that is the beauty of your caste. Instead of 50%, only 55% are required. So you should not aim that 45%. Your aim has to score 99 percentile when it comes to CAT exam as well as whatever exams that you are going to give in the life. For PWD candidates, additional verification documents may be required during the admission stages. Also ensure that आपका certification clear, valued and it is issued by correct authority, right? For PWD candidates, guys, आपके लिए भी leverage है. You should have 45% in your graduation and your cutoff when it comes to IIM would be less as compared to general or other category students. So you have to keep this thing in your mind. For OBC and EWS candidates, annual renewal certification is very important. Ab jao, you can talk to your father, mother, and confirm it whether you are going to have the right details or not. Those people who are from NC-OBC category, please pay attention close to this section. NC-OBC is one of the most misunderstood category in CAT. Your NC-OBC certificate must be issued after 1st April 2026. If you use last year's certificate, it may not be accepted. And this is where most of the students are doing the mistake. Certificate should mention that the candidate belongs to non-creamy layer category. If the statement is missing, your certification would be rejected. Remember, NC-OBC status is determined using parental income criteria, not your personal income. Parent की income जितनी होगी उसके अनुसार वो decide करके देंगे. Also, always download the prescribed format from the official CAT website and get it filled in the same format for your certification. Do not just wait for the CAT notification. And when it comes to government, the government certification processing usually takes 20 to 45 days. अगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट निकलवाना है तो उतना टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा. You have to wait for that. Let's say right now we are in June. तो अगर आपने अभी अप्लाई किया तो अगस्त 15 तक आपका सर्टिफिकेशन आ जाएगा या अगस्त एंड तक. Don't just wait for the right time to get that certification. So if you belong to NC-OBC category, start the process immediately. अभी बात करते हैं EWS candidates के लिए. Now let's understand EWS. EWS means economically weaker section. To qualify, the family का income should be generally below 8 lakh rupees. And there is also property related conditions involving agricultural land, residential plot and flat is there. Important difference EWS and NC-OBC का यही है कि EWS में it is more about family income based. NC-OBC is parent based income. So remember that EWS is available only for general category candidates. अगर आपका income below the threshold है, then you can definitely apply for EWS certification. You can get that certification. Post that you can show the certification to CAT authority. Also, candidates already covered under SC, ST, OBC candidates cannot apply for EWS. Like NC-OBC EWS certification also need to be freshly issued after April 2026. Old certification won't be taken into consideration, right? अभी बात करते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. आपका एग्रीकल्चर लैंड 5 एकड़ से कम है, रेसिडेंशियल फ्लैट 1000 स्क्वायर फीट से कम है, रेसिडेंटल प्लॉट 100 स्क्वायर यार्ड से कम है, एंड कैटेगरी इफ यू आर फ्रॉम जनरल कैटेगरी. अगर ये 4 कैटेगरीज मैच करते हैं, then you are coming into the EWS category. Also talk to your father and family friend. Now let's discuss about work experience. This is an important area where student make costly mistake. Only full-time paid employees are counted into this scenario. Internship don't count. Articleship do not count. Part-time job do not count. Freelance project do not count. Work experience starts from official graduation result date, not from your last examination date. For example, if you completed exams in June but your results were declared in October, so your work experience going to be start from October. IIMs verify your work experience very seriously. So you need salary slip, offer letter, joining letter, relevant letter, bank statement, form 16, have all these documents in handy. Never inflate your work experience. because it can lead to cancellation of your admission, right? So आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो एंड वर्क एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन हो तो आप ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैंडी रखो. नाउ हियर आर सम 5 biggest mistakes that students are doing. Number 1, name mismatch. Your name should exactly match your class 10 certification. Number 2, wrong category select. Double check your category before submitting it. Number 3, old NC-OBC or EWS certificate. It must be issued after 1st of April 2026. Last year का certification won't be taken into consideration. Okay. Number 4, wrong CGPA conversion. So use your university's official formula. Wrong percentage here affects the IIM shortlisting composites directly. Number 5 पे आता है inflated work experience. तो यहाँ you can't put inflated or false work. You should have salary slip, PF, TDS certification. Remember, B schools verify everything. A single incorrect declaration can create problems later. So prioritize your accuracy according to that. So before ending this video, here are some action items for you guys. Create a CAT 2026 document folder. Gather all the document records. Apply for a fresh NC-OBC or EWS certification. Check your graduation result month. Verify that your name matches across all documents, क्योंकि that is very important. नाम गलत हो गया तो you might face issues when it comes to background verification. And most importantly, do not wait until the last day to prepare for your documents. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video, hit the like button and turn on your notification, guys. Comment below and tell us which CAT 2026 topics you want me to cover. There is a WhatsApp group which is present there. Join on the WhatsApp group. The link is in chat box and description box. Along with that, our CAT mock is going to start from 28th of this month. It is free of cost. आप join कर सकते हो and you can take the mock test and see what is your progress. All the best to you guys.